Hold on. Go.
That song right here is for my lovely wife.
Oh.
You know what this is, right?
I'm already knowing. Go.
I woke up in the morning and thanks the Lord to you. He brought you to my life and made my dreams come true. The answer to my prayers, long way to do. His patience is a virtue, I'm blessed to feel it too. His life is full of mystery. True, sometimes it's blue, but I would go through anything just to spend my lifetime with you.
Yeah. I really am blessed to keep waking up next time. Ah, you thought I forgot that, huh?
Yeah, I wrote that for my wife.
Say what? Say what?
I wrote that for my wife.
Nice. Now, and this is getting posted today, Rena. Internationally, he just stated. What did you say? What did you say?
What is that?
You telling the whole world you wrote that for who?
I wrote this for my wife.
What you think about that, sir? Oh, let me get Trip on camera. Let me get Trip. Trip. THC, baby.
Baby, bring her inside.
THC, baby.
Hey.
THC in real life.